Good morning. It's a bit chilly out here. The wave energy has been pretty high lately. We've also been having quite a bit of rain and wind past week. We even had a tornado roll through Scotts Valley. Injured some people and flipped some cars. Yeah, pretty crazy. But today the wave energy is supposed to be pretty low. So taking a look, guy heading out in the parking lot said he caught limit, so hopefully save some for me too. Yeah, it's looking like high tide, close to high tide now. I see some dolphins out there. One, two. Sean. Thought I felt the tug. Where are you? All right. Wow. That's a nice one. Sweet. Yeah, it's really high tide now. Oh, fish on? I think a small one. Oh, definitely something. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Woo! Wow, look at that. It's like he swallowed it. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Yeah, I'll measure this one and see how big it is. Yeah, a little bloody. Sorry, buddy. It's about 12-incher. Little chihuahua is trying to time the tides, try to get past. Fish on. Whew. That's not bad. Supposed to start raining around noon. 7:48. Starting to rain now. Well, it's pretty chill. Was able to catch some keepers, including the 12-inch perch. Nice to be able to fish out here between king tides. We might have another one coming up in a couple of days, so yeah, just check the reports. Be safe out there. And this is why we need stainless knives on the coast. All the salt water. Cut some nice ones. I'm gonna try to use my Mora Eldris here to remove the scales, since it has a 90-degree spine.